Yo, what's up? I have to edit yesterday's vlog and make the thumbnail. Currently it's 6 in the morning. 10. It's 10 in the morning. I slept. 3 AM edited my today's video. I just came here to lay down and rest for a while, not sleep. I just want to lay down. I close my eye and then it's 10 AM and I still have to edit a little bit more. Alright, right now I'm editing today's vlog. You can see all the timeline. Editing video is not easy. Alright, today's vlog is currently uploading. Right now I am going to eat. This is going to be my lunch. Fried potato, cabbage, what's this in English? Is it brinjal? Is it long bean? Yeah, long bean I think. This is going to be my lunch. This is my mother's garden. Right, see this? See this? See all this? I want to take it. Right, one of my best friend lives here. Let me show you. It has been actually a long time since COVID actually came to Malaysia. Still the world is under quarantine. Alright, for today's question and answer, you have made over 100 videos. Thank you. But don't you think that you are underrated? Alright, that question that you asked made me feel like... Alright, to date I have 113 uploads. But looking back at my subscriber, I have 477 only. I'm not complaining, it's high. Yeah, I think you get what I'm telling you. They upload 30 videos or 40 videos, but they will get millions of subscribers. But most of them will rise, will get 1 million subscribers, but that will go downhill. Alright, keep in mind that this is only for informational purposes, so I'm not going to hurt anyone. I'm just going to tell you what is the truth. How to prank it up. At one time, he was a really trending person. He had 1 million subscribers. As you can see, his view 5 years ago was 30 million, 29 million, 40 million. But the problem with this type of channel is that it's a trend. If today it is trending, tomorrow it won't be trending as much as it was yesterday. Alright, this is his latest video. 6K, 4.6K, 4K. He will rise. At one point that trend won't be attractive as much, so he will just go downhill. Now this is happening to a lot of channels. Me myself, I don't want my channel to be like this. I want my channel to be growing constantly. 0 subscriber, 10 subscriber, 100 subscriber, 1000 subscriber, 1 million subscriber. So yeah, that's the aim that I'm going for. Because at the end of the day, it's not about subscribers, it's about videos. I don't know how long I'm going to like about this. Of course I want 1 million subscribers. I'm also a human. Life is a never-ending marathon. No one is a winner, no one is a loser. Everyone is equal. First yaru varan mukyam, last yaru first varan mukyam. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that I could do more videos. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye.